Hey there, today we're going to be doing lesson 3.1, equal sharing and equivalence. In this lesson, you are going to be exploring ways to reason about equivalent fractions and ways to solve equal sharing number stories. So let's take a look at our first practice or example problem that I have for you today. So it states 6 hikers share 4 pounds of trail mix equally. How many pounds does each hiker get? So we want to be thinking about how could we draw a picture or maybe an equation or something that's going to help us solve this particular problem. So one way that I could go about this is I could draw 4 circles like I did here to represent the 4 pounds of trail mix. And I divided those circles into 6 sections to represent our 6 hikers. And then what I can do is I can give each hiker 1 part of that trail mix, and we could just keep dividing that out so that each hiker gets 1 part of that particular pound. And then we would move to the next circle and we would do the same thing and we would divide that out. And we would do that for each of the circles so they got an equal amount. So once we got finished, we would have had a total of 4 out of 6 parts there, so 4/6 is the amount that each of those hikers would get of that trail mix. Now, is this the only way to solve this problem? No. We could use a different kind of picture, which hopefully in class you will be doing some problem solving and you might come up with some different pictures than what I came up with for this particular problem. So here's another problem that we can take a look at. 5 campers share blue string equally to make bracelets. How much string does each camper get? So again, as you can see, I can draw a picture and I've got 3 rectangles divided into 5 sections here because there are 5 campers. We have 3 yards of string, and so I could basically divide this out into camper 1, camper 2, camper 3, camper 4, camper 5, and so each person is going to get 1 of those pieces of string. We're going to divide it out, so basically what's going to happen is each person is going to get how much? They're going to get 3/5 of that string. So when you come to class, we will draw pictures to help us solve equal sharing number stories, just like the examples that I showed you here today. And you're going to be working with our friends, or your friends I should say, to help problem solve and compare our solutions. Bye for now.